Hi, today we are going to work out the admission of a new partner. In the admission of a new partner, first we got to work out or calculate the new profit sharing ratio. How we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio under various situations. If we look the problem number 1, A. A and B were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. C is to be admitted with 1/5 share of profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio among the partners A, B and C. Let us work out that problem. That means calculation of new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C. First, profit sharing of A and B equal to 3:2. That is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here 3 by 5 for A, 2 by 5 for B. That is the old ratio between the A and B. Now C is to be admitted with 1/5 share of profit in the firm. C is admitted with 1/5 share, 1/5 share of the firm. Here, the remaining share of the firm was equal to, that is, firm share was 1 minus C's share, 1 minus C's share. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5th. That is equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 5. That is equal to 4/5. So the remaining share of the firm was 4/5. This 4/5 should be shared by A and B in their respective ratio. That means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now we have to calculate new ratio of A as well as B. New ratio of A, that is equal to remaining share into his share. That is equal to 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. That is equal to 12 by 25. That is the new ratio of A. Now we have to calculate new ratio for B. That is, remaining share of the firm was 4 by 5 into his share 2 by 5. That is equal to 8 by 25. Now make it C share into 25th form. C equal to 1 by 5 into, that is equal to, make it 25. Here multiplied with 5, the same number multiplied with the numerator also. That is 5 by 25. The new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C were new profit sharing ratio of A is to B is to C equal to 12 is to 8 is to 5. That is the new profit sharing ratio among the partners A, B and C in the problem 1A. Now we have to see next problem. Next problem we are going to work out the calculation of new profit sharing ratio among the partners. The problem was T and S are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. R is to be admitted with 1/6 share of the profit. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of T, S and R in these conditions. Now the profit sharing of T and S, that is equal to 3:2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The ratio was 3/5 for S, 2/5. Now R is to be admitted with 1/6 share. R is to be admitted with 1/6 share. Here we have to calculate the remaining share of the firm after giving R share. The remaining share of the firm was that is equal to 1 minus 1/6. That is equal to 6 minus 1 divided by 6. It is equal to 5/6. 5/6 is the remaining share of the firm. Now the remaining share of the firm 5/6 is to be shared by T and S in their profit sharing ratio 3:2. Now the new ratio of T and S. For T equal to the remaining share 5/6 into his share of profit, that means 3/5. That is equal to 15 divided by 30. Now for S, remaining share was 5/6 into his share of profit 2/5. Now it is equal to 10/30. Here we have to make it the R share of profit by 30th share. Now R is 1/6 into, make it equivalent proportion, that is 30. 5 6 are 30, the same 5 multiplied with the numerator, that is called 1 into 5, 5. The new profit sharing ratio between T, S and R. New profit sharing ratio of T, S and R, that is equal to 15 is to 10 is to 5. That is equal to 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. This is the new profit sharing ratio between the T, S and R. Here, what is the difference between the previous problem and this problem? Here the new profit sharing ratio that will not be changed between the T and S. Their ratio, already their ratio 3:2. Here also 3:2. The 1 is added in the new firm share, that means 1/6. This is the new profit sharing ratio of T, S and R. 3:2:1. Next problem, we are going to work out the calculation of new profit sharing ratio among the partners. We look at the problem. C. P, Q, R were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. They admitted S for 10% of profits in the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio among the partners. Here in this problem, the new partner is to be admitted for 10% of the profits. The remaining share of the profit is to be shared by PQR in their old profit sharing ratio. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of PQR and S. Profit sharing of P, Q and R equal to 3:2:1. That is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. Here the ratio was 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. This is the profit sharing ratio of P, Q and R. Now S is to be admitted for 10% of profit of the firm. S is to be admitted for 10% of profit, 10% of profits. That is equal to 10/100. That is equal to 1/10. 10%, 10/100. Here 1/10 is the profit is to be given. Profit is to be given to S. The remaining share of the profit of the firm was remaining share of the profits. That is equal to firm's share was 1 minus new partner share 1/10. That is equal to 10 minus 1 divided by 10. That is equal to 9/10. 9/10 is the remaining share of the firm. This 9/10 is to be shared by PQR in their respective ratio 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. Now new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio of P. P equal to the remaining share of the firm was 9/10 into his share of profit 3/6. That is equal to here 9/20. Then for Q equal to 9/10 into his share of profit 2/6. That is equal to 3/10. R equal to 9/10 into his share of profit 1/6. That is equal to 3/20. Now make it all the ratios should be based on the 20 page. Here R equal S was S equal to 1 by 10. Now we have to make it all the profit sharing ratio with the equal proportion of based by 20. That is for Q. Q equal to 3 by 10 into, that is equal to, here multiplied with the 2, 20, the same number multiplied with the numerator, that is 6 by 20. Like that, S equal to 1 by 10 into here 2, here also 2, that is equal to 2 by 20. The new ratio of P, Q, R and S, that is 9 by 20, for Q 6 by 20, for R already 3 by 20, then S 2 by 20. That is equal to 9:6:3:2. That is the new profit sharing ratio among the partners P, Q, R and S. Next problem, we have to calculate the calculation of new profit sharing ratio among the partners. X and Y are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. Z admitted for 1/10 share which he acquired equally from X and Y. Here the Z was admitted for giving 1/10 share of profit, that 1/10 share of profit which were acquired from X and Y equally. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio between or among the partners X, Y and Z. Profit sharing of X and Y equal to 5:3. That is equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Here 5 by 8 for X, 3 by 8 for Y. Now C is admitted, Z admitted for 1/10 equally acquired from X and Y. Now we have to calculate the new ratio of X as well as X, Y and Z. New ratio of X. His share of profit was 5 by 8. He contributes or he sacrificed half of the 1 by 10th share. That means 1 by 10th into 1 by 2. That means equally shared by X and Y. That is, in 1/10 share, he has to contribute 1 by 2, half of the share. That is equal to 5 by 8 minus 1 by 20. That is equal to, here take it LCM 40. In the 40 it contains or it contributes, which includes, that is 5 times. 5 into 5 minus, it is having 2 times, 2 into 1, that is equal to 25 minus 2 divided by 40, it is equal to 23 divided by 40. That is the new ratio of x. Like that, y equal to his share of profit 3 by 8. He contributes or he sacrificed 1 by 10 into 1 by 2 equally. That is equal to 3 by 8 minus 1 by 20. Take it LCM 40. Here in the 40, it contains 5 times. 5 into 3 minus, it contains 2 times. 2 into 1, that is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 2 divided by 40, it is equal to 13 divided by 40. Now for Z equal to 1 by 10, make it in the proportion of 40, that is multiplied with here 4, the same also in the numerator, that is 4 by 10. The new ratio between the x, y and z. New ratio was, that is equal to 23:13:4. That is the new ratio among the partners x, y and z after admitting z for 1/10 share equally acquired from x and y. That's all.